ChatGPT may be the fastest growing consumer app in internet history, reaching 100 million users in 2 months. 100 million users in 2 months.
Faster than TikTok.
$20 a month.
Yeah.
It is so, when you build a tool that people perceive as being so useful, it's all of a sudden, it's different than entertainment, because these are entertainment size numbers. You think to yourself, the fastest growing YouTube channel, or the hottest show on Netflix, and it's been viewed 50 million times or whatever. No. We're not talking about a view here. We're talking about a whole new subscription potential.
Yeah, let's turn that faucet on.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Open up the gates of AI, because that type of funding.
100 million users feeding into the machine as well.
Open up the skies. I think I'm going to go watch Dune or something.
Yeah, it sounds like that.
I think I'm going to go watch Dune. Yeah. What does it mean for Meta? Why'd you bring up Meta, chart for them?
Dude, it's really high right now.
Oh, Meta's booming.
I wish Mo was here.
Do you feel
markets.
like there's a correlation here that ChatGPT's success somehow is feeding into other tech stocks? Is that possible? I see the NASDAQ is up. Tesla's up. Scroll down just a little bit. Let's just look at this report.
Let's just do this.
Fastest growing in history, UBS report, and rolling out the $20 a month subscription. Okay, good. Faster responses. People love it even more. Fastest growing app in history after it was estimated to have reached 100 million monthly active users by the end of January. Monthly active users, not signups, not email addresses, monthly active users. Comfortably beating the growth speeds of major apps like TikTok and Instagram, according to the UBS note. It took TikTok 9 months to reach the same level of users. Instagram took 2.5 years, and Spotify only amassed 100 million after 4.5 years. In 20 years following the internet space, we cannot recall a faster ramp. You know how many people are reading this report and going, okay, just AI. Forget all this other stuff.
Yeah.
They're going, AI. Forget all this other stuff. That's it. That's all it is. 100 million users take over the world. It's happening now. Even guys like Tim are reading this. Apple's reading this. Mark is reading this. Jeff is reading this. Mm-hmm. They're all reading this. They got the reports that are coming in. It's flying in. We're talking about 20 a month. I'm going to include ChatGPT with Prime. You don't think I can do it? I can do it. I got the billions. What do I need to sign? What do I need? I can do it.
Yeah. Blank check.
He's flexing when he's flexing as well. I can do it. Mm-hmm. Jeff, why are you flexing? I can do it. Yeah. Jeff, why do you sound like that? Jeff, why is your shirt off?
Oh, jeez.
Jeff, why are you on a yacht right now?
Yeah.
Jeff, when's the last time you took those shades off? Jeff, why are you aging in reverse?
You look like 20.